Hello scholars, welcome back to the Chong channel. So let's attack this problem. So in the figure not drawn to scale, so remember in geometry we're never going to trust what the picture looks like, we only trust the information. So just because something looks like something, don't believe it, just believe the information. Okay, so let's annotate. Here it says MO bisects angle LMN. So this is angle LMN and they're saying ray MO bisects it. So if you remember from class, bisects means cut the angle in half. So we have two equal parts. So let's put the loops to show that. Remember in diagrams, you put the loop to show they're congruent. So we have angle LMO is congruent to angle NMO. Now let's plug in more information. Here it says measure of angle LMO is 15x minus 42. And then it says measure of angle NMO is x plus 56. And then here we want to solve for x and we want to find the measure of angle, let's highlight that one, LMN. So basically we want the whole thing. Okay, so once again, bisects means cut in half, so they're equal. So this algebraic expression will be equal to this algebraic expression. So let's set this up. 15x minus 42 equals x plus 56. Now remember, angle bisector cuts that angle in half. So we're going to solve for x. Let's bring this x to the left, so the opposite is minus x. What you do on the right, you do to the left. Now if you remember in algebra class, when you don't see a number in front of the variable, one is so slim and skinny you don't recognize it. So 15x minus 1x is 14x, and we're going to copy the whole equation as is. We still want to solve for x, so the opposite of minus 42 is plus 42. What you do on the left, you do to the right. All right, so this part is not too bad. So now we add 56 plus 42, which is 98. Then the opposite of multiplication is division, so we divide by 14. So then you put 98 divided by 14, and we get 7. So that algebra wasn't too bad. You just needed to know that bisects means it cuts the angle in half, so we have two equal parts. So we solve for one part of the question. Check. Now we want to find the whole angle. And so how would we go upon doing that? Well, we got to plug in our values. So we have 15x minus 42, and we have x plus 56. Now, hypothetically speaking, if I already plugged in my value for x and I got a number and I'm sure I got that number correct, then it would be the same number here, but we're just going to check. So we're going to plug it into both expressions. So wherever we see the x, we're going to substitute the value 7. And so 15 times 7 is 105, and 105 minus 42 is 63. Now let's check here. Wherever we see the x, now we substitute 7, and 7 plus 56 is indeed 63 degrees. So each of these angles is 63 degrees, but that's not what the question was asking for. The question was asking us to find the whole angle, and so 63 plus 63 equals 126 degrees. That's the measure of angle LMN. I hope that helped. Bye-bye.